There's the rocket stove. We're about to do an omelet. And all my stuff there. You get the idea. That baby really cooks. And just some pipe and some sticks and so on. You can hear it. Pretty good. About ready to add the egg here pretty soon. Onions are getting to be translucent. There's a few. To really spread them out nicely. Okay. Okay. Got all my stuff ready to go here. That's important. Get everything ready to go first. So, get the egg and just mix it up a little bit. Alright, let's take a look at it. Yeah, see? Cooking away. And then we'll add the cheese and stuff to this, along with a little bit of chia that I grew, which is actually going right here, like a chia pet. A whole bunch of chia off of those plants, whole bunch of chia, fresh chia, full of omega-3, and we're going to use that to wilt that on top of this. So this stuff is really smelling good now. So time to add the cheese, nice mix of cheese. Yeah, it's looking really good. Okay. Oh. Yeah, I'll wilt that a little bit. Just wilt it a little bit. Then I'll add my cheese, let it melt. Then we should be good to go. So, yep, a nice wilt. Cheese. A little mix of pepper jack, cheddar, and Parmesan. Okay. All right. Perfection. Beautiful. Okay. And one egg omelet. Hopefully it's not, doesn't look like it's like really make a big deal out of it. And there it goes. You'll learn to control things a little bit better. Okay. Well, I don't know. Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh, it's really nice. Yeah, don't look too bad. Flies like it. Eh. Eh. Oh. A little bit of that. So, yeah, not too bad, huh? What do you think, Ruth? Huh?
Looks
pretty good. Forget my little onion and everything. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's pretty good. Turned out all right. Nice and cheesy. All right. Time to eat. See you later.